Hey you guys, it's Mrs. Alexander, and today we're going to be doing some more dividing multi-digit numbers using a modified standard algorithm. Now let's quick review our vocabulary. We have the divisor, which is on the outside of our division sign. We have the dividend, which is on the inside. Once we divide the divisor into the dividend and we get it down to the bottom, whatever that bottom number is, as long as it's smaller than our divisor, that is called our remainder. And then at the top, we have our quotient, which is our answer. So I know you guys have this, so let's quick review the steps. Number 1, ask yourself how many times divisor goes in the dividend. You do this by doing repeated addition, working with 1 or 2 digits of the dividend at a time. Step 2, multiply how many times the divisor went into the dividend and then subtract. Ask yourself how many times the divisor goes in the new dividend. Repeat till you have a remainder. Now remember, the remainder is when the divisor is larger than the new dividend. So here I go. I am going to go ahead and highlight my divisor. And I'm going to use this color for my divisor the entire time. Now I'm going to put my dividend in its place, and I'm going to highlight it a color. Let's do purple. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm going to come over here and do my divisor. So I know that these cells are the color I need. Here's my sum, and then I have a divisor again. Again, it's the same number as what's blue already. So now I'm going to quick add it up. I'm going to add my divisor again because I'm doing repeated addition with the divisor, so I know how many times it goes into my dividend. So here we go. And then I add, remember I like to do 5 numbers, only because 5 is a good number to stop at. So I've got it done. Now I'm going to look at the 14. Can 14 go into 6, you guys? No. So I'm going to put a 0 to hold my place. Can 14 go into 63? Well, there's a good chance. Let's go look. So of 28, 42, 56, and 70, which number is closest to 63 without going over? You guys are right, it's 56. So of the 56 here, I'm going to quick count how many 14s are above it. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my quotient, I'm going to write a 4. Underneath my dividend, I'm going to write 56. Now, I'm going to subtract. Can I take 6 out of 3? You guys are right, I can't. So I'm going to take my 6 right here, and we're going to regroup and call it 5. And right here on this 3, I'm going to add 10 to it so that it is 13. Can I do 13 take away 6? Okay, what is my answer, you guys? You're right, it's 7. I'm going to bring down my 5, you guys. Now I'm going to look. Can 14 go into 75? If so, how many times? You're right. Go to our repeated addition and see what we have. I'm going to quick add 14 one more time just in case it can go into 75. But if you're looking at it right, you're going, Mrs. Alexander, 5 more give you 75 out of the 70, and 14 is bigger than 5. You're right, but I always like to check just in case. And you guys are right. We're going to have to use this one. Let's count our 14s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here in the quotient, I write a 5. And 5 times 14 is 70. So I'm going to write my 70. I'm going to subtract. And now we have to figure out, can 14 go into 5? So it's pretty much saying, can I take 14 pieces out of 5? No. So I take this 5 and see this R? It means remainder. So I'm going to put my 5 right there. So over here, I'm going to write the answer 45 space remainder. Look, I have a little r period with a 5. And that is your answer. It's the same as we have been doing. It's just now we have a little bit left over to our division. I hope this helped. Remember to ask questions. Remember to make those mistakes so we can learn. And remember while you're doing this to smile, giggle, and wiggle because it will become better. And I'm very proud of all. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.